Trying to fix my cap thing, but ooh, my head's kind of itching. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So you see the title, I'm doing a open box. I had got me, it's already open, but I had got me a ring light. So yay, I had got me a ring light. I had got me one doing 2 weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago I think I had got it. I had a chance to like open it, but I had opened the Amazon box, but I haven't opened that, so I don't know how it looks. Stay tuned so you see this video, like it, and also comment what type of ring light that you have. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification and follow my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. They will be in the description box. And go and subscribe to my vlogging channel and go watch my new vlogging on there that I had posted yesterday. Yesterday. So go check that out. But let's get started. Okay. The other day I had bought my mom a ring. I had bought my mom a phone case. It's just the stuff that I had bought, and I had bought me a I had bought this for me to use on my phone, so I can, like, you know, when I be at work I can put my phone on. So it's like a phone stand, so I kind of got them. But let me show you. It's part of a little bit like an open box a little bit. So I already opened the Amazon box, but I haven't opened this yet. So this is this. I heard his name before because I've been trying to find something, and I had saved it on my Amazon wish shopping list, so that's why I kind of did. And y'all hear my brother being at work, so let's get started. Open this. Hope that video. Hope this video don't turn off. Okay, so I have got this. Oh my god. I have to take this thing. A little tiny kind of, oh, this is like the camera thing that I can use to press record and take pictures. Oh, and I got this. Wow, I could use this on my phone. So technically I can't really use this on my iPhone, so I have to buy a thing for my iPhone. My iPad. I'm recording right now. Oh, it comes with a charger. I think it's like a charger plug thing. Oh, it comes with this, so and it's just like a thing that has oh, the tripod. Oh, okay. It was a little back, like, hey, let me open this. I already have one. Kind of look just like the one I got, a little different. So okay, it has this, has a little leg. Oh yeah, it do look just like that. Well, I got an extra one, so oh, okay. The ring light. Never had one. It's my first time ever had one, y'all. My first time. Oh, that's how it looks. I was gonna get a bigger one, but I think they cost more on the bigger kind. Oh my lord. What the? This is how it looks. This is how it looks like. It's like, give me the ring. That's a good thumbnail picture. They got instructions how to put it on there, and so I'm gonna use my phone. I have my iPhone, so I'm gonna get started to set this up, and I'll be right back. Oh, it's got a bag coming with it, like that. I am back right now. I hope y'all hear me really good. So, but I see why I got my sleeping cap on is because I just did my hair early this morning, so that's probably why. And So, been a while since I used this, use a tripod. So, since I had the other one. Okay. Now, I think I have to, it says, okay, take the legs off. I'm trying to get this off. Okay. Okay, it's the tripod. Every time I raise it up, things is not going down. Okay, so I put this on here. Like a twist. It's my first time, y'all. Okay. I'll be right back, y'all. I'm gonna figure out. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I figured out how to do it. I had to watch some videos and trying to figure out how to do it. I'm not sure, for the ring light. Okay, so on this one, I know that I figured out how to do this one on this. So you have to loose this up for me to get it on. So they put it too tight. So, and I know that I could like loose this, so I can like, okay. My bad. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it or spin it. Now on this one, to put it on here, let me turn this back this way. So, you know, you turn this. It has a thing under here, like when you do this. So I don't know if you guys see it, but let me show you. I know it has this thing. Like it's right here. This is the part that you have to put it tight to put the ring light on. So that's what you have to do on that one. And you just lock this up here. And I just put this tight on it. Have to straight up. Okay. So why does this thing keep doing this? Let's move this. It has this that for you to put it tight and you can move anyway. And also, I forgot to tell you, it says that you can like plug this up in a computer when you record you're on your phone, or like, you know, you could like record yourself on it. So I'm like, wow, I could do that. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. It has. Oh. Okay, let me test this out on the thing on the screen. So I'll be right back, y'all. Okay guys, I'm on my phone. So I'm gonna try it on my phone, and I'm gonna light this up with the phone here. So I'll probably see me on my phone, a little bit of that. So let me see how this. Oh my god. I look so different. I'm gonna turn the iPad off and I'm gonna just like look at this, and so, oh my god, it makes me look different. So let me turn this off. I'm gonna test this out. This is the oh my, this is the for the you know, record stuff or take pictures and stuff like that. So okay, I need to turn on the Bluetooth thing. I'm making this video too long, y'all. Let me take this out. Gotta take this out first. I never had one. So I found it on the side right here. It's right here on this side right there to turn it on, and it turns blue. So okay, so what I do, I'm gonna text this. Hey, I got it. Oh my god, I got it. Oh Lord. I got it, y'all. I got and I can do it with my phone, my iPad too. So I'm like, y'all gonna see some videos. I might record on my phone. I might probably do like that. So yeah. So let me turn it off, and I like it. So I know there's other thing I could use too for when I put on my phone. I can use this. You know what I mean? On my other tripod, I can use this too on that because it has a thing that I could use on that. But let me show you my tripod. I need to do that. Okay, guys, this is the final last thing. This is my tripod. I've been having it since 2015, so I've been having this for a while. So yeah, I like that tripod. I got it right here on the side, but I'm gonna be using it for making YouTube videos. I'll probably be using it with my phone because I think I can't able to do it on my iPad because my iPad is kind of, you know, it's big. So it's gonna probably be hard trying to, like, you know, put it on my iPad. I might say I could probably record on my phone. If y'all enjoy this, let me know in the comments. Do y'all got this ring light? It's a 10-inch ring light. For that, I look kind of with my hair like this. Got my sleeping cap on. That's how I do this sometimes. I had one time, so got this on. Like this video, and like I said, comment below anything, like, you know, positive comments and stuff like that. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to here. Yeah, but I really thank y'all for subscribing for 600, and I'm almost 700. Also follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and follow me on there. And also follow me on TikTok. Go follow me on there because I'm trying to grow on there too. I need to change up my type of content. I don't want to just be doing dancing, but I do love dancing. But I need to change it up. So yeah, but I see y'all in my next video, and I hope y'all enjoy this. And go and subscribe to my vlogging channel, my second channel. Go follow and subscribe to there. And I hope that y'all like it. And I can't wait to use this ring light. So it's gonna be really, yeah. Gotta go. Bye, y'all.